My dear students, welcome to DM Pannale YouTube classes. Now, we will discuss examples on equivalence relation. Check whether the relation R in the set A is equal to flower bracket 1 2 3 4 5 6 as R is equal to flower bracket ordered pair AB such that B is equal to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Dear students, we do not know R is reflexive or symmetric or transitive. Okay. Solution. Here let A is equal to, this is given set A. The relation R is defined on set A as R is equal to, okay, here we consider A is equal to 1, A is equal to 1, A is equal to 1 and we get B is equal to, okay, here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Again we consider B is equal to, sorry, okay. We consider A is equal to 1 from given set A, we get B is equal to 2. Again we get A is equal to 2, put A is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 and again A is equal to 3, A is equal to 3, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Again A is equal to 4, Y, B is equal to 5, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6. This is our R. Okay. Then by using the definition for reflexive, symmetric and transitive to check R is reflexive or not. Okay. Okay, here 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 5, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6 does not belongs to R, does not belongs to R. Okay, because of this R is not reflexive. Okay. My dear students, already we know that the definition for reflexive, A1 belongs to R, A1 belongs to R, therefore, for all A1 belongs to given set A, given set the R is reflexive. But here the ordered pairs 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 does not belongs to R, because of this R is not reflexive. Okay. Okay, here we observe that the relation R, okay. Okay, here 1 2 belongs to R, 1 2 belongs to R, but 2 1 does not belongs to R. Or similarly, we consider another pair 2 3 belongs to R, 3 2 does not belongs to R, 3 4 belongs to R, 4 3 belongs to R, dash dash dash. Okay, here 5 6 belongs to R, but 6 5 does not belongs to R. Because of this, R is not symmetric. Okay. Here, but okay, R is not symmetric. Now check transitivity. 1 2 belongs to R, 2 3 belongs to R, but 1 3 does not belongs to R. Because of this, R is not transitive. Therefore, hence we conclude that R is neither reflexive, R is not reflexive, nor symmetric, nor transitive. Okay. Next example number 4. Next example number 4. Show that the relation R in capital R defined as R is equal to flower bracket ordered pair AB such that A is less than or equal to B. A is less than or equal B. This is very important example. Is reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. My dear students, R is reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. Okay. Okay, here the R is defined like like this, R is equal to flower order pair AB such that A is less than or equal B. Okay. Clearly A belongs to R, A belongs to R as A is equal to A. R is reflexive. Okay. Next, now 2 4 belongs to R, 2 4 belongs to R as 2 is less than 4. But 4 2 does not belongs to R because 4 is greater than 2 or 2 is not less than 4, not less than 4. Because of this, R is not symmetric. Okay, here now check transitivity. AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R for all A, B, C belongs to given set. Okay. Next, AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then A is less than equal to B and B is less than equal to C. Okay, here put B is equal to C. Okay, here A is less than equal to C. Okay, here this shows that AC belongs to R. AC belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. Therefore, hence we conclude that R is reflexive, transitive, but not symmetric. Okay. Next, move on to next example. Example number 5. Check whether the relation R in R as R is equal to ordered pair AB A is less than or equal BQ is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Okay. R is equal to, okay, here the set is a set of real numbers, R is equal to ordered pair AB such that A is less than or equal BQ. Okay. Here 1 by 2 does not belongs to R. 1 by 2 does not belongs to R as 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 8. So 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5 and which is not less than or greater than I think 1 by 8. I think 1 by 8. Because of this, R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Okay. Next, 1 2 belongs to R as 1 is less than 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to what? 8. 1 is less than 8, which is true. Okay. But 2 1 does not belongs to R because 2 cube is greater than 1 or 1 is not less than 2 cube. 1 is not less than 2 cube. Okay. Because of this, R is not symmetric. Okay. Similarly, check transitivity. Okay, here 3 comma 3 by 2 belongs to R. Okay. 3 comma 3 by 2 belongs to R because 3 is less than 3 cube by 2 whole cube. Okay. Next, and again 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5 is also belongs to R. Okay, because of these reasons. Okay. Next, but 3 comma 6 by 5 does not belongs to R as 3 greater than 6 by 5 cube. Because of this, R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Therefore, R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. It means R is not reflexive, R is not symmetric, R is not transitive. Okay. Okay. Next example. Show that the relation R in the set A is equal to flower bucket 1 2 3 4 5 given by R is equal to ordered pair AB such that modulus of A minus B is an equivalence relation. Okay, is an equivalence. This is very important example. Okay. Next, okay, here the set A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. The R is like this, ordered pair AB such that modulus of A minus B is even. Okay, modulus of A minus B is even. Here we consider A and B belongs to given set A. then it clear that any element A belongs to A, we have modulus of A minus A is equal to 0. 0 is which is even, because of this R is reflexive. R is reflexive. Okay, here 0 is a multiple of 2, 0 is multiple of 2, because of this R is 0 is even number, 0 is even number. Okay, 0 is number, therefore R is reflexive. Okay, next we consider AB belongs to R. Modulus of A minus B is even. Okay, here taking common factor minus, we get modulus of minus into A minus B is equal to modulus of B minus A is also an even number, because of this BA belongs to R, therefore R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Okay. Next, now let AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, because modulus of A minus B is even, modulus of B minus C is also even. Okay, A minus B is even, B minus C is also even, then A minus C is equal to A minus C is equal to A minus B plus B minus C. Again B get cancelled, plus B minus B get cancelled, again we get what? A minus C. Here we know that this result, sum of two even integer is always even. Sum of two even integer is always even. Therefore, modulus of A minus C is even. Therefore, order pair AC belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. Hence, R is an equivalence relation. R is an equivalence relation. Okay. Next. Next, example number 9. Example number 9. Here, show that each of the relation R in the set A is equal to flower bracket x belongs to Z, set of integer 0 less than or equal x less than or equal 12, given by R is equal to R's. Two relations are given. First one, R is equal to flower bracket AB such that modulus of A minus B is multiple of 4, and second one, R is equal to flower bracket ordered pair AB such that A is equal to B. Okay, is an equivalence relation. Is an equivalence relation. Is an equivalence relation. Okay, is an equivalence relation. Next, A is equal to, the given set A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dash 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 up to 10, 11, 12. Okay, here we consider first R. R is equal to ordered pair AB such that modulus of A minus B is multiple of 4. Here we consider A is equal to any number belongs to given set A. We have A belongs to R. We have A belongs to R because modulus of A minus A is equal to 0. 0 is a multiple of 4. Because of this, R is reflexive. Now, let AB belongs to R. Now, let AB belongs to R. AB belongs to R. AB belongs to R because modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Okay, here again taken common factor minus, then we get modulus of minus into A minus B is equal to modulus of B minus A. B minus A is again multiple of 4. Therefore, BA belongs to R. Because of this, R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Now, let check transitivity. Transitivity. Let AB belongs to R because modulus of A minus B, because of modulus of A minus B is multiple of 4. Okay, and again B minus C, modulus of B minus C is a multiple of 4. A is multiple of 4, B minus C is multiple of 4. Therefore, A minus C is equal to A minus B plus B minus C is multiple of 4. Therefore, modulus of A minus C is multiple of 4. Therefore, AC belongs to R. R is transitive. Okay, R is reflexive, R is symmetric and transitive. Because of this, R is an equivalence relation. Okay. Next, second one. Second one, R is equal to R is equal to R is equal to ordered pair AB such that A is equal to B. This is also very important example. Okay, here for any element A belongs to A, we have modulus of A belongs to R since A is equal to A. R is reflexive. Now let AB belongs to R because A is equal to B, or B is equal to also A. Therefore, BA belongs to R. Because of this, okay, here R is symmetric. R is symmetric. Now check transitivity. Okay. Now let AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R. AB belongs to R because A is equal to B, and BC belongs to R and B is equal to C, implies that A is equal to C. A is equal to C, this shows that AB belongs to C, comma A, comma B, A, comma C belongs to R. Therefore, R is transitive. Okay, here R is reflexive and symmetric and transitive. Because of this, R is an equivalence relation. Okay. Thank you, my dear students, watching this video.